Hello everyone, welcome to another video from your favorite channel, the YouNeed English channel. In this video, we're going to dive into another grammatical lesson, which is the present perfect continuous tense. So before we move on, for most students, this tense is a little bit confusing and they usually actually don't know how to use the present perfect continuous tense, and they don't know what the differences are between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So watch till the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to tell the differences between the present perfect continuous tense and the present perfect tense. Let's get started. So present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action that is started in the past and it is still continuing. So an action that is started in the past and it's still continuing. It may still in the future or may not. But that is not important. We're just talking about the duration of the action that is started in the past and is still continuing. So now let's look at the structures and let's learn how to make sentences in present perfect continuous tense. For making a positive or affirmative sentence, the first thing you need to use is the subject, and then use has or have, then use been, and then use verb ing, and finally use object. For example, we have been waiting for you since 6 p.m. It means we started waiting for you from 6 p.m. and we are still waiting for you. So we may wait for you in the future or we may not wait for you. So we is the subject, have is the helping verb, been is also the helping verb, waiting is the verb ing, for you is the complement. Now, if you want to change this sentence into negative form, you use subject, then has or have, then not, then been, and then a verb ing plus object. For example, we have not been waiting for you since 6 p.m. So if you'd like to make this sentence into question, you bring have or has at the beginning, and then you use subject, then you use been, then you use verb ing, and finally you use object, and then you use question mark because the sentence is question. For example, have we been waiting for you since 6 p.m.? Have we been waiting for you since 6 p.m.? So now let's talk about the usages of present perfect continuous tense. The first and most common usage of present perfect continuous tense is that we use this tense for an action that is started in the past and it is still continuing. For example, she has been writing a book for 2 months. So it means, 2 months ago she started writing a book and she's still continuing writing the book. She's still writing it. So she might finish the book very soon, or she might, continue writing the book. The next usage. We use this tense to emphasize the duration of an action, to actually pinpoint, to emphasize for how long an action has continued since the past up to now. For example, they've been playing football for 3 hours. For 3 hours. See, in here, the phrase for 3 hours emphasizes the duration of an action. They have been playing football for 3 hours. So it means that playing football continued for 3 hours. The focus is on the duration of an action. Next one. We use this tense for actions that have recently stopped but have a visible effect. It has just stopped, it has recently stopped, but it has a very visible effect right now. For example, I am tired. Why? Because I've been running. So I stopped running, but I'm still tired. So the action has stopped, but the effect is visible. I stopped running, but I'm still tired. So being tired is the visible effect, but stopped running is the action that has recently stopped. So thank you so much. Now let's talk about the differences between the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tense, as I promised at the beginning of the video. Now look at the features, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. The feature. The focus. First of all, the difference is the focus of these two tenses. Present perfect focuses on the result of an action, while on the other hand, present perfect continuous tense focuses on the duration of an action. So these two are completely different, right? And the next difference is their structure. Look at the structure. In present perfect, we use have, has plus past participle or third form of the verb. But in present perfect continuous tense, we use have, has plus been plus verb ing, not past participle. Look at the example. She has written 3 essays. It focuses on the result. But look at the next sentence. She has been writing essays all morning. It means it focuses on the process, it focuses on the duration. And the next difference is the usages of time expressions. We use present perfect, we use these time expressions for present perfect. Since, for, ever, never, just, already, and yet. But in present perfect continuous tense, we use since, for, all day, lately, recently, and many more. Thank you so much, everybody. This was today's lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos, because every day we'll be posting some new grammatical and English videos for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon, and of course, share the video with your friends to help them learn better. Thank you so much. Until next video, bye-bye.